famous. You're famous.
Angsoze ngaglibala, 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 angsoze ngaglibala.
When I think about you, I can feel the tears dripping down my face. Cause lately you been acting strange. I got a lot in the place. I've been thinking about you for days. But no matter what, you my babe. You been on my mind, I'm for sure. I'm so zen. I hope that I see you again. I'm so zen. I hope that I see you again.
Angsoze ngaglibala, 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 angsoze ngaglibala.
Whisper lapha ngisoze ngakhohlwa ngisho ngiphatha imali uthi kimi ungangikali dala ngithi phela bengihamba nombali kweyami impilo VIP bonkeke lapha ugeneral ngisoze ngakhohlwa noma kuthiwa ngiyanginika ithemba mase ngilahle ngibambe ngesandla ayimapi lana uzodlula isupport ngizokunika impatho uthanda inhlonipho uyanginika ngabe ngidingani nembone ngubuzali singena amapop Skwemu kushaya Ngamlibala ngiyadibala unginika uthando sakudikila ungichazachaza ngeluntuza ibonasi kimi ntuza awuwe muntuza awungibambabambe sithi ugroover shone phansi phinde sivuke sishaye ithuso khala abantu
Angsoze ngaglibala.